Hi everyone, this is Hope and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about airdrops. As you know, crypto airdrops are everywhere, but today I want to talk about really special one. It's a game changer 100%. Today I will talk about Sonic airdrop that is handing out 200 million S tokens worth of 100 million right now. And if S pumps past $1 again, like it already did in February, this could become a 200 million plus airdrop. This isn't just a free money, it's a perfectly designed growth engine. People farm the airdrop, content creators make guides, more users jump in, and the hype just keeps building. So how do you get the biggest cut of it? Let's break it down. But as always, this video is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing. But now, let's dive into the Sonic airdrop. So the main question, how big is this airdrop? Most airdrops throw out tiny scraps, but Sonic is playing in the big leagues. For perspective, Arbitrum dropped 1.2 billion, but spread it across millions of users. Starknet's airdrop was 800 million, but with strict claim limits. Sonic, 120 million plus already with the room to grow. And let's be real, if the market flips back to the bullish, S token at $1 plus is not a stretch. That means that this drop could double in value or maybe more. So how do you farm the maximum rewards? There are three types of points you need to collect. First one is passive points, the easiest money. Just hold whitelisted assets in your wallet. The more you hold, the more you earn. Different assets have different multipliers, so check which one pays the most. And for example, as we can see, we can select the chain deposit to Ethereum or deposit to Sonic. So here we can see mint USD, and we can see that points will multiply 6 times. If you mint Ethereum, the points will multiply 4 times, and if you mint BTC, it will multiply 4 times. And for example, if we deposit Sonic, we can see the multiplier points going from 4, 4, 6, 6, 5 times. So basically choose the one that multiplies the most. Second one is activity points. Get rewarded for using your assets. Take your assets and put them to work. Lend, borrow, swap, or even stake. Over 130 dApps are live and more keep launching. The more you do, the more you earn. And lastly, app points, gems. The wild card. Apps can redeem gems for S token and distribute them however they want. Some dApps give bigger rewards than others, so finding the right one is the key. So basically, what is the best strategy? Stack them all. Hold assets with high multipliers, use them in dApps, hunt the best gem rewards. That's how you go from just another airdrop farmer to stacking serious rewards. Also, I saw some crypto people sharing their ideas and strategies on how to participate in this particular airdrop. For example, the Smart Ape, who has more than 50,000 followers, broke down his strategy. He wrote, comparison of looping liquid staking strategies on Sonic Labs, top 3 major providers. Here we can see his graph. Also, in the comments of this post, you can find more details on how he calculates the best farming strategy for this airdrop. So definitely check out X and you will find already tested strategies to help you maximize your rewards on the Sonic airdrop. And why this airdrop works so well. So Sonic airdrop isn't just big, it's smart marketing. People join to farm, content creators make guides and videos to boost their own engagement. That brings new users who then create more content and the loop continues. And referral links, they pour gasoline on the fire. Both referrals and new users and extra points, so there's even more incentives to spread the word. It's a viral, self-sustaining system and it's just getting started. So as I said, this isn't just another airdrop. It's one of the biggest opportunities in the crypto right now, I think. If you missed Arbitrum, if you missed Starknet, don't miss this, because when this is over, the people who started farming early are going to be the ones who win big. So yeah, guys, use the link in the description to learn more about Sonic ecosystem and their airdrop. And definitely participate, but again, this is not a financial advice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.